Can free, natural dark circle remedies actually compete with expensive treatments and creams? I rated all of them with prices to find out. First, if you don't want to spend any money, I relate. What can we do for free? So, there's a blood circulation boosting eye massage that you can do every night. This helps flush out the toxins and reduce pigmentation. So, you can possibly wake up with healthier and lighter under eyes. If you have only 10 rupees and you want to lighten your under eyes, maybe go to a vegetable vendor and ask him nicely, "Sirf ek batata doge kya?" So now you have acquired your one potato. Basically, potatoes have these natural lightening and bleaching properties which can help lighten your under eye skin over time. So what you need to do is grate one potato and squeeze out the juice. Now this is your under eye serum. Apply this under your eyes for 1 week before sleeping and you will see lighter and brighter under eyes with only 10 rupees spent. For our 100 rupee solution, it's finally time to introduce a product. But there's a catch here. It's not yet skincare, it's coming. But this is just a food item. It's green tea. So, green tea contains antioxidants and tannins, which are essential for reducing the swollen blood vessels under your eyes. So what you need to do is after you have your tea, take out your green tea bags, put them in the freezer so they're nice and cold, and then place these under your eyes for like 15 minutes. I don't always do this, but I have noticed before applying makeup or something, if I want my under eyes to look very depuffed, I like to do this. For darkness though, I would say doing this more regularly for a week or so, only then will you really see the results. But you can try this out if you have 100 rupees and if you like having green tea. It's finally time for our first skincare product, a dark circle brightener. This is a cream that came under 300 rupees because I got it on sale. It has ingredients that are scientifically proven to lighten your dark circles and I could not find any other like it in this price range. It's Derm's tinted under eye cream. This has ingredients like caffeine, vitamin K, and here's the super brightener, glutathione. I know glutathione is a bit of a controversial ingredient because it is supposed to lighten skin. But I'm not promoting fair skin here. I'm only helping you to find a solution to reduce your dark circles. Because at least your dark circles should match the rest of your face, right? And this cream is also tinted. So from the minute you apply it the first time, you do see a slight difference and that gives you that motivation to keep going. Diet is the most important. You are what you eat. I know we've all heard this, but I can't get myself to eat healthy food every single day. Eating spinach, leaves, not leaves, but assorted greens, all of these things are great for reducing your dark circles. But what do I end up doing? This or actually having something like a supplement that doesn't taste as bad and has vitamin C and collagen. So I started having Setu's it's not an under eye brightener, but it's their overall brightening glutathione and vitamin C supplement. And I've been having this for about 10-15 days now only, and I'm still seeing a slight difference in my under eyes. Even if right now it's just for me to see, I do believe that this will lighten my dark circles a bit in the long run. So you can try this out if you have a bigger budget. I got this under 1,000. So you can click the link here or in the description below to find it. Time to make a big jump, and I'm talking really big here. Skincare under 10,000 rupees. So, my clearly much richer and also much more stupid, or rather much more extravagant friend bought this under eye cream. And I got to take home the free sample, which I was also very happy with. Basically, this is a K-Beauty under eye cream by Sulwasu. It has a root called the ginseng root, and this is known to reduce fine lines and also dark circles over a period of time. Now, I have used the free sample for as long as I could extract it, and I can tell you my experience was that it would really reduce my appearance of my lines for sure, but I didn't see a big reduction in the dark circles. And if you're paying 10,000, it better just vanish them. So if you have 10,000 bucks lying around for an under eye cream, you can check out this in the description below. But I was happy with just the free sample as well. Do you have 1 lakh or more lying around? Because then you can go for these permanent under eye lightening or other treatments. One night, I was 15 years old and I was super frustrated with my dark circles, like, oh no, they are not going away. And I started researching, a very poor research, but I started researching how to remove dark circles permanently. And a lot of scary things started coming up. under eye fillers, lasers, and I don't even remember what else. Before I start explaining to you in an uninformed manner, let's hear from the expert. I'm going to call my dermat to explain what these treatments are, how much they might cost, and should you really go for them.
Okay, so we have many treatments for dark circles in our clinic, and the most common one is chemical peels. Chemical peels usually work by increasing the cell turnover and removing the dead skin cells. You have to come 15 to 21 days gap for this, and for optimum results 6 to 8 sessions are required, and the cost of per session is around 2000. So the approximate cost is around 2015 to 20,000 for chemical peels. Another sort treatment for dark circles is Q-switch laser. Q-switch laser basically works on the melanin pigmentation, and it disperses the melanin so that by the end of 6 to 8 sessions you can achieve more brighter skin under the eyes. And the approximate cost for Q-switch is again 1500 to 2000 per session. If you have more than that, like tear trough, which is the hollowness under the eyes, then usually we recommend dermal fillers. Dermal fillers are usually done, one session is enough in a year, and you can see visible improvement in the hollowness of the eyes. And the cost for dermal filler is usually 22 to 25,000. And sometimes if there is like genetic cause, or there is a mixed pigmentation hollowness, then we recommend a combination of these treatments. Like you can alternate between peel and Q-switch laser, and you can also do dermal filler. So then the cost would go around 50 to 70,000. Depending upon what is the cause, approximately if you combine all the three, then you see around 60 to 70% improvement in dark circles.
So now you know what goes behind living that celeb life. Go to a dermat if you have this kind of money lying around and want to get permanent dark circle treatments. If you want to go to my dermat, I'll link her details below. And it probably doesn't just stop here, If you have 20, 30, 40 lakhs lying around, you might be able to get whole new skin, a brand new set of eyes, or even a permanent dermat to apply eye cream on you at all hours of the day. I hope you found this video helpful for all price points. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. These are my makeup details for today. First, let's start with my new find, this Swiss Beauty concealer, which I have been wowed by. This is literally for around 200 to 250 rupees, and I got it online on Purple, and I got a shade match like immediately correct, which is not really, doesn't really happen online. So here's what the shade looks like. It really matched my skin perfectly, as you can tell, and the coverage is quite good, and it also feels very lightweight on the skin. So that's my new find that I've been loving. And for the eyelashes, I've used L'Oreal's Volume Million Lashes Mascara. This has this really thick bristle brush, which helps give you voluminous lashes. After that, I just used my MAC lip gloss. This is very tingly when you apply it and gives it a cooling and plumping effect. Here it is. And finally, I do not go anywhere without my eyebrows. So I have my, without my eyebrows, I can't leave them at home. But I have this Browsings palette. It's a little filthy from inside. You've probably seen it by now if you saw the last episode of this. I've had it forever. I haven't found it anywhere other than Sephora. So I'll link it below for you. And it gives me these eyebrows that I don't go anywhere without.